Hey, episode 2, Rob McLeod here with you with 30 tips to make better writing easy. Today, discussing the writing process. Last time, we discussed how really great writing can be thought of as just strengthening an ideas muscle and strengthening a words muscle. Okay, kind of makes sense, but how do you do that? Well, one idea is to utilize the 5 stages of the writing process. Now, perhaps you've heard of this before, maybe you hated it in school, but the 5 steps of the writing process are pre-writing. This is where you get ideas. Second, drafting. This is where you make a rough draft of your ideas, so you begin to put your ideas into words. Third, revising. This is where you improve your words or improve your ideas. Fourth, editing. This is where you tidy up your words to get them ready to be shared with an audience, so correcting all your little mistakes. And then fifth, publishing, making some kind of a copy to be able to be shared by an audience or simply to keep for yourself. So there you have it, the 5 phases of the writing process, the 5 steps of the writing process. They are pre-writing, drafting, revising, editing, and publishing. Now, if you were traumatized by having to be forced to go through these 5 steps when you're in school, fear not. The reason I'm sharing this with you is because many people approach writing in a very complex way, and it often results in writer's block. Now, what I mean by this is most people try to do all 5 of those steps at the same time. And when you try to do all 5 of those, it's like trying to do 5 different jobs at the same time. Some of them are going to suffer and not get the attention that they require for your success. So another way to make better writing easy for you is to think that writing isn't actually just one thing. It's not sitting down and writing something. It's actually like at least maybe 37 different little jobs. Now, whether you're listening to this, or whether you're watching me right now, check the description for a link to storycraftingcompany.com. There I've laid out all of the resources and all of the activities for all of the days of this program for you there. All of the videos, audio there as well. And there you'll find my checklist for all of the little jobs that good writers do in each of those 5 steps of the writing process. So I won't go through all of them here right now because I know you're very capable of looking through that list yourself. But today's exercise is to get that checklist and go through it and just check the jobs or the little tasks within each step of the writing process that you currently do. So this may be helpful for you because when you break writing down to just all of these little small jobs, it's actually much easier because you just kind of do one of them at a time and you don't get stuck. And these 5 stages of the writing process, they help you strengthen your ideas and they help you strengthen your words to create writing that you are proud of and that others will enjoy. So there you have it. Today's idea: use the 5 steps of the writing process to help you strengthen your ideas and to strengthen your words, and go through each of the steps one at a time and go through some of the jobs. Now, do you have to tick every little box every time you do a piece of writing? Of course not. But if the writing isn't coming to you easily, checking this checklist may be very helpful for you to find one of the jobs to get started on. And of course, you do not need to do all of them with every piece of writing, but certainly at least some of the jobs in each step will be very helpful for you. So check out the resource at storycraftingcompany.com and see you next time.